what's up, burritos? Welcome to another The Road with Dutty. Okay, so this time we're going to go to Bog Walk High School as part of the release tour. Now, the release is a TV show on CVM TV and Hive TV, and you know, they basically started this tour to go into the schools and speak to the kids about being responsible on social media. You know, kind of make sure so them govern with them post and with them write, you know, and talk about the effects of, you know, what them post, the implications. So, you know, I'm gonna say, okay, sure, no problem. And then bring on some fella artists, you know, such as Hezron, Meek, Joe, Ari, Queen Latisha, the meds. And you know, it was really fun, and I got to meet some burritos there, so just check it.
Change your mind about leaving you behind. Alright, give it up to me,
When it was time for me to go up now and go talk to the kids them, I totally forget to I have the camera on the wrong mode and I'm supposed to turn it around the other way, so I end up a record some mess like this.
1, 2, 3. Big up! Big up! What? Alright, so go on. Nicely, Bog Walk, right?
I definitely think it's a good idea that the release, you know, them reach out to me and said, TheDuttyBerry want to be a part of this, because I am all about being social media responsible. Because you have to understand the thing, you have to understand, you have to be careful of your image, because it can come back and get you. Oh, you're going to like Miss Universe.
Welcome back, I'm your host, Legitimate, and you're watching. Right now, it's time for the Bog Walk High School Steel Band. So give it up for them. Come on, no, give it up for them.
Again, because here one day I go back more and observe and take Stylo. Check it out. How it's sexy. No, when you're slim and say don't feel about it so much, you know. I'm coming out, so don't do that. You don't feel about it so much. You don't see body, though.
Alright.
You say I'm dance class.
You know what I'm saying? Queen Latisha. Check me out downstairs. Every Tuesday.
Say I think somebody over spend the next summer.
Here, think so much.
Say man advertise, man have a jeans down cream, I have a followers. You know the principal office? You know?
I know the principal. Sorry, principal.
If I have money, you can get that rich man. Give me the rich dog. You give me nothing, put down, me not
Bog Walk High School.
Don't miss it.
Video them, catch them.
Don't miss it. Just say
What's your name?
Choose your destiny. Finish him.
Serve! Serve! Someone said look for your doorbell. No, why then we can do it so?
I want to keep right as the...
The reason here, somebody say, yeah, together. Yeah!
Yeah, I want to keep.
Watch this. I hope for box food, thief.
Everybody come outside and take a girl.
Bomba chicken chips. Them something that's like around the place. Oh really? I got you share with me. Whoa. Whoa. I'll never forget this moment.
From this moment, life has begun.
I'll never forget this moment. Like people don't really share food with me, you know? Yeah.
You never know I heard.
What?
I was like, don't give me my
I can't really catch it afterwards. Group picture. Group picture, everybody. Group picture. I wanna have a... Oh, everybody then, everybody. That's a retro post. You don't mind as well, you know? I beg you follow. I beg you. Seem to hear me if I tour. I think so. This is there foreign. Never know say back in Jamaica.
No.
Where's Bog Walk? Is it in Jamaica?
Yeah.
Wow. We're in Jamaica. Which part are you now?
Isn't this St. Catherine?
Oh, you're right. Whoa.
Not that John.
But it say release.
Well, that's it, people. Thanks for watching another Dud Road with Dutty. Alright, make sure that you like, you comment, you share, and you subscribe. Alright, take care until next time.